When you're an active investor, it can be challenging to monitor your portfolio 24/7. Unexpected market movements can happen at any time, and you need a way to stay informed and react quickly, even when you're not glued to your trading platform. Fortunately, XTB offers two powerful tools to help you maintain control over your investments: price alerts and stop loss orders. Let's first look at price alerts. Setting up price alerts on the XTB app is incredibly easy. Simply right-click anywhere on the chart and select Price Alert. This will open a window where you can specify the price level and conditions that will trigger the alert. Once configured, your alert will appear in the list of price alerts at the top of the platform. You can easily modify or disable the alert at any time. Price alerts can help you effectively manage your positions and plan your trading day, as they'll automatically notify you when the market reaches important levels. Then there's stop loss orders. This is another essential risk management tool offered by XTB, the stop loss order. This allows you to automatically sell some or all of your holdings if the price falls below a certain level. It acts as a safeguard against steep, sudden drops, helping to minimize your potential losses. When setting a stop loss, make sure not to be too conservative. Putting the order too close to the current market price may trigger an unnecessary sale, causing you to miss out on a rebound. As a long-term investor, you should expect normal temporary declines, so allow some reasonable buffer room. In addition to a stop loss order, XTB also provides other order types, like limit and trailing stop orders, to give you more control over your trades. By leveraging XTB's price alerts and stop loss orders, you can stay on top of your investments and manage your risk, even when you're not actively monitoring the markets. These powerful tools allow you to remote control your portfolio and react quickly to changing conditions, giving you peace of mind whether you're at your desk or away from your trading platform. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.